been talking too long. So baby, what is you on? You say you got a man home, but he can't fight what he.
So we are starting with a 22-inch lace front wig of my hair in natural black. If you want to see how I make all my lace front wigs, I'll leave you guys a link in the description. And we're going to go in with the Flare Me Dark for dark hair with 30 develop. I did not use any bleach. I just saved those BW little bottles for times like this. And I put in 30 developer without measuring. I was just pouring and stirring until I thought the consistency was okay, and it turned a little orange. So this is what it would look like. I let it process for about an hour, and once I washed it out, I noticed that just the frontal was burgundy and the rest of the bundles was black. So even after the next day I let it air dry, the frontal was burgundy and the back was black. So I decided to go in with the L'Oreal High Color in 2 bottles of H9 and 1 bottle of H12 and use 30 developer. I left the product on for a little over an hour, and this is what it looked like. It's difficult to see on camera, but it came out black and burgundy, which is what I was looking for. So now I'm going to show you guys how I like to lay my wigs. I'm going to use the Bold Hold Active. First, I'm going to just mark my forehead with a pen. You should mark lightly. I did not, but you should mark lightly where you want to start and stop putting glue, and make sure you use a flat piece of paper or cardboard piece of paper to flatten each layer of glue. I ended up using 4 layers, but make sure you do this because if you don't, then you'll have multiple layers of glue that will be tacky and eventually turn white, and the layers just will not dry. Once I lay the wig down, I like to cut off any excess lace, and then what I would do is just take 100% alcohol and wipe off any excess glue. For baby hairs, I only ended up using the Got To Be spray. I didn't end up needing the Gorilla Snot. For styling, I like to use any wax stick or beeswax, whatever I can find, to just make my part more precise. And I use a hot comb or flat iron, whatever I could find, just to make my part more precise. And I make sure to put some foundation in my part as well. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I went ahead and bumped the ends a little bit to give it some waves. I put some foundation on my part to make it look more realistic, and I really like the way it looks. So this is more of like a reflective kind of look, so in natural lighting, like day lighting outside, it would show a lot more. But this is exactly how I wanted it, and I would definitely recommend doing the L'Oreal High color. It was a lot easier to use. It wasn't so harsh on the hair. The Claro Flare Me Dark was just trash, a waste of money. It didn't do anything. I don't even remember if it came in other colors, but it said for dark hair and it did nothing to the hair, and it actually made the hair shed. So don't waste your time on the Claro Flare Me, whatever. Just use L'Oreal High color. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video.